I'm going to share with you every single product I'm currently selling on Amazon, as well as 4 new products I'm going to launch this year on Amazon. The first company I started has done over $3 million in sales, and we sell multiple products on Amazon. The second Amazon FBA product I started selling on Amazon, I talk about on this channel all the time. It's done over $1 million in sales. I've also launched multiple different flavors with this product. The third company I started, I partnered with my girlfriend, and we've done over $80,000 in sales, and she's made enough money that she's been able to quit her job. And the most recent product I launched on Amazon is this product. I actually partnered with a student that's in my Amazon FBA course, the Passion Product Formula, and together that product has done over $140,000 in sales in just its first 3 months being sold on Amazon. On top of those 4 businesses, I'm launching 4 new products this year on Amazon. So hit the like button because I'm going to share in depth what those 4 new products that I'm going to be launching on Amazon are. And I'm going to share with you all the details before I even launch it so you can get an idea of what I'm doing on Amazon and you can replicate it to have your own success. The 4 new products I'm going to be launching on Amazon FBA this year is Rocket Tea, which is a high caffeine tea. Then there's Haggle, which is a board game I've talked about on this channel before, but I actually partnered with a student and it's finally coming to fruition. I'll also be launching a game called Paradise Farms. And last but not least, and this is something I've been keeping secret for a long time, I haven't really started working on it yet, but I'm really excited to talk about this. Number 4 is the Creator Hoodie. The first product I'll be launching this year is called Rocket Tea. It's going to be a tea that has 200 milligrams of caffeine per serving. It's going to be the highest caffeine tea ever on the market. And for this product and the next 2 products that I'm going to be talking about, I actually partnered with students that are in my Amazon FBA program, the Passion Product Formula. And here's a huge announcement. I'm going to be launching version 3.0 of the Passion Product Formula in just 2 weeks. You can click the link down below to get on the waitlist, and I highly recommend getting on the waitlist because there's only going to be 50 spots available for the launch of version 3.0 of the Passion Product Formula. And I've worked with over 1,000 students. I've learned a lot with working from all these people. I've learned what works, what doesn't work, and I've taken all that information to launch this version 3.0. But as I mentioned, I'm only going to be allowing 50 people to join. So if you want to be one of the first to know about it, get on the waitlist. It's going to be launched on May 3rd. I'm going to keep registration open for 1 week, or whenever those 50 spots fill up, whatever one happens first. And right now I'm also looking to partner with more people on Amazon FBA businesses, but I'm only going to be partnering with people that are in that program. So again, you can click on the link down below to join the waitlist and learn more about this. This program is not just a bunch of recorded classes. It comes with weekly Q&A calls with me, one-on-one calls with me, and a bunch of other bonuses that I talk about in the link down below. And Willem joined the Passion Product Formula a few months ago, and he wasn't really sure. He didn't have an idea for an Amazon business, but I saw him. I saw that he was hardworking, a very smart guy, and I wanted to partner with him on this business. This was actually an idea I had for a high caffeine tea, specifically the highest caffeine tea ever made. And there's not a product like that out there on the market right now. Right now, there's a lot of people searching in Amazon for high caffeine teas, but there's no product that really markets itself well as a high caffeine tea. And we're going to be launching our Kickstarter very soon for this product. If you want to get on the waitlist and learn more about this product, I'll put a link down below to the Rocket Tea waitlist. And I highly recommend joining the waitlist because you're going to get to see how he does marketing, how he hypes up the Kickstarter. You're going to get to see all aspects of how he launches this product. I will also have Willem on the channel in the next couple weeks to talk about everything that he had to do to start this business. So make sure you subscribe because I'm going to do an in-depth video with him about how he started this business, as well as I'll be doing videos with Chance and Ryan, who I partnered with on the Haggle board game and Paradise Farms board game. The second product I'll be launching on Amazon this year is a board game that I've been thinking about making for a very long time. The board game name is going to be Haggle. It's going to be basically a negotiation-based board game where the whole point of the board game is to negotiate and try to get, the best deal that you can. And basically it's going to take what my favorite part of games like Monopoly is, which is the negotiating part, and make that the focus of the game. Now, I did a vlog video about the idea of this board game over a year ago, and I had a few people reach out to me that wanted to partner on this game, but Chance joined the Passion Product Formula. He convinced me to partner with him, a very smart, hardworking guy. He's even created a TikTok for the Haggle game. I'll put a link to the TikTok down below. You can see he's got over 30,000 followers. He's never done TikTok before. He just started doing it, started posting a few videos. He had one video go viral. I think it was like the third TikTok he ever did, got over 1 million views. If you want to learn more about this board game and get on the waitlist, I'll put a link to that down below. I also partnered with Ryan on his board game idea of Paradise Farms, and he was also inspired by the whole idea of a negotiation style board game, but he decided to take it in his own direction. So Haggle is a little bit more what I had in mind for a negotiation style board game, where Paradise Farms is a lot more complex. It's not as beginner friendly necessarily, but if you're a hardcore board game fan, then Paradise Farms is going to be the perfect board game for you. I'll put a link down below if you want to get on the waitlist for his product as well. His plan is to probably launch a Kickstarter in the next month to 2 months or so. He's still fine-tuning a lot of the gameplay aspects of his game, but I will do a video with him as well before he launches his product on Kickstarter, so you can get more of an insight of what it's like to create a board game. Now, in full transparency, the board game ideas might not do as well on Amazon. It's very hard to sell a product on Amazon that someone's not searching for. On the other hand, the high caffeine tea, that's something that people go to Amazon and search for all the time. So I think that product's gonna do really well very easily on Amazon. Now with the board games, I do think that they could still do very well, but it's going to be a little bit more work that needs to get done as far as marketing. And these aren't your typical Amazon products. They're just cool products that both these people wanted to create, and they're products that I think, if marketed properly, could do very well. The fourth product I'll be launching this year, and the product that I'm personally the most excited about, is the Creator Hoodie. I have not talked about this product publicly yet for a number of different reasons. In full transparency, I've been really nervous about launching this product. It's something that I know is going to be a decent amount of work, and it might not be as successful as some of my past Amazon businesses, but at the end of the day, I don't care if it doesn't do well, because this is a product that I'm personally very passionate about. So this is going to be a hoodie specifically marketed towards entrepreneurs, creators, people that are doing cool things. And there's a few things that makes this hoodie so much different than all the other hoodies on the market. First off, it's going to be made in America, and it's going to be made from the most premium fabric. Everything, it's going to be the best possible, most premium hoodie I can possibly make. But that's not the only aspect that makes this hoodie special. On top of that, as I mentioned, it's going to be branded and geared specifically towards entrepreneurs and creators. And what makes this product so unique is I'm going to have radical transparency with the pricing. So I'm going to show you what the price of the product is going to be. I'm going to show you the cost of the materials, the cost to make the product, the cost of everything. And then with all the profit that's left over, what I'm going to do is I'm personally going to take that profit and invest 100% of that profit into small creators, small entrepreneurs, invest it into small businesses. And one of the cool things when you buy this hoodie is you get to vote who I invested in. It's going to be a Shark Tank style product where you have some kind of a say when you buy this product. I'm also looking at doing some kind of an NFT or some kind of a token that when you buy this physical product, this real world product, you also get this NFT or token that gets you access to a special community, a special Discord group or a special group of some kind that you can talk to all the other people that are creators, all the other people that are entrepreneurs that have bought this hoodie. And my goal with this is that when you go out to a coffee shop, if you see someone wearing the Creator Hoodie, you know that they do something cool. You know that they're an entrepreneur. You know that they're doing something interesting or cool with their life. I think of this almost as like a Letterman's jacket. Remember in high school, there was the people that wore the Letterman's jacket, and you know that they played sports. And if you went to a different school or you went somewhere else and you saw someone wearing a Letterman jacket, you know who they are. You know that they play sports. And I want a similar thing that when I go to a coffee shop, that people know that I'm part of this tribe, this entrepreneur tribe. And my goal with this is to make a product that is extremely cozy and comfortable, but at the same time looks good. That way, if you want to work from home and just be cozy and comfortable, you can wear this hoodie. But if you decide that you want to go work from a coffee shop, you can wear this exact same product and you're going to be just as cozy, just as comfortable, but you're going to look really good as well. And to me, this is the millennial Gen Z version of a suit. We don't need to go wear a suit and tie into work anymore. We don't even need to go into work anymore, but we still want to look good, but at the same time being comfortable. And that's the whole idea behind designing this product, is not only is it going to be a product that you're going to love to wear, but you're going to get to be part of an amazing community, and 100% of every dollar you spend on this goes to small businesses. My goal is to find a small manufacturing company in the United States that we can work with to design this product, get every aspect of this made by small companies, because at the end of the day, I know that you want to support small businesses. And as I mentioned, 100% of the profit is going to get invested into small businesses. And I'll put a link right here if you want to join the waitlist for the Creator Hoodie. And if you want to learn about any of the products that I'm currently selling on Amazon, I did an entire playlist where I talk about all the different businesses in depth, and you can click right here for that.